Buddy Holly and the Breakers were great. 1959, the Fireballs had a hit for the very first time. Rockin' in the 50s, a 50s rock and roll. Rockin' in the 50s, a 50s rock and roll. Rockin' in the 50s, a 50s rock and roll. One more time I said rockin' in the 50s, a 50s rock and roll. Rockin' in the 50s, a 50s rock and roll. Rockin' in the 50s, a 50s rock and roll.
I didn't see that.
Oh, no, that's a